This Breville PolyScience Control Freak temperature-controlled commercial induction cooking system is a game-changer in the world of professional cooking. Combining precision, control, and versatility, this induction cooker offers unparalleled accuracy and consistency, making it an essential tool for chefs who demand the best from their equipment. With the ability to measure, set, and hold 397 cooking temperatures from 86 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, the Control Freak stands out as one of the most advanced cooking systems available today. The Control Freak boasts a sleek and durable design, featuring a stainless steel housing and high heat-resistant ceramic glass. This robust construction ensures longevity and reliability, even in the most demanding commercial kitchens. The through-glass pan temperature sensor is a standout feature, allowing the thermostat to touch the pan directly, providing real-time temperature readings and adjustments. The cooker is also equipped with a dual fan cooling system, which prevents overheating and ensures continuous operation, even at high temperatures. One of the most impressive aspects of the Control Freak is its precise temperature control. The system can hold the temperature stability of ingredients to within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of accuracy is critical for delicate cooking applications such as tempering chocolate, making custards, and emulsifying sauces. The real-time sensing system uses a through-glass sensor to directly measure surface temperature, ensuring that the heat is applied consistently and accurately. The Control Freak's probe control feature is particularly useful for wet cooking. This closed-loop system directly senses the temperature of ingredients, allowing for precise control in liquids as shallow as 5 min. Whether you are making curds, creams, or delicate sauces, the probe control ensures success through precise temperature regulation. Additionally, the probe control oil function is ideal for deep frying, maintaining the temperature stability of frying oil within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the oil returns to the set temperature quickly after adding cold or frozen food, providing perfect frying results every time. Pan control is another key feature that sets the Control Freak apart. This function constantly monitors the temperature and makes fine adjustments to power, keeping temperature variation to a minimum. It checks the temperature 20 times per second, ensuring stable and consistent heat. This is crucial for tasks like toasting spices, searing steaks, and achieving the perfect doneness in all types of cooking. The Control Freak is designed to work with any induction-compatible pot or pan, with a minimum diameter of 4.5 inches and a maximum diameter of 10 inches. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking applications. The system's ability to store frequently used temperature profiles in the Create function is particularly beneficial in a commercial setting, where consistency and repeatability are paramount. Chefs can save and recall cooking times and temperatures as needed, ensuring that every dish is prepared to the same high standard. One of the standout features of the Control Freak is its ability to control heat intensity. This function allows chefs to adjust the speed at which the temperature is raised to the set point, providing incredible control over the cooking process. For delicate dishes, the heat can be increased slowly to distribute it evenly, preventing scorching and ensuring perfect results. For high-temperature cooking, the heat can be ramped up quickly, allowing for efficient searing and frying. The Control Freak is engineered for reliability, a critical factor in any commercial kitchen. Its twin-fan cooling system ensures that the cooker can perform hour after hour at very high temperatures without cutting out. This robust design allows chefs to cook continuously, even in the hottest kitchen environments. The cooker's 1,800-watt power output provides ample heat for all cooking needs, from gentle simmering to high-temperature searing. The Control Freak's programmable timer and the ability to save and recall temperature profiles add to its user-friendly design. These features make it easy for chefs to replicate recipes with precision and consistency. The system's compatibility with a wide range of cookware further enhances its versatility, making it a valuable addition to any professional kitchen. The Control Freak is NSF certified, meeting the NS Fancy standard 4. This certification ensures that the cooker meets rigorous standards for public health protection, providing peace of mind for chefs and kitchen operators. Conclusion: the Breville PolyScience Control Freak Temperature Controlled Commercial Induction Cooking System is a revolutionary tool that brings precision and control to professional kitchens. Its ability to measure, set, and hold temperatures with incredible accuracy makes it ideal for a wide range of cooking applications. The system's robust construction, versatile functionality, and smart features ensure that it can meet the demands of even the busiest commercial kitchens. Whether you are a professional chef looking to elevate your cooking or a serious home cook wanting to achieve restaurant-quality results, the Control Freak is an investment that will pay dividends in performance and reliability. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.